Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make white delight. Let's begin. So first, in a bowl, add 1 cup of white chocolate. I'm using compound chocolate here, and melt it. Now in another bowl, add shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons. This is dried whole cranberry, 1 tablespoon. You could skip this if you want to. And 1 tablespoon of almonds chopped. And 1.5 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix this well. This is the filling for our chocolate. And this is ready. Now for the mold, I'm using these molds. You could either use these silicone molds or your silicone cupcake liners. So first, add 1 teaspoon of your melted chocolate in your mold and layer it by swirling the mold and take off the excess and repeat the steps. After doing this, you need to refrigerate it for 30 minutes till the layer is set. And once it's nicely set, you need to add 1 teaspoon of your filling in each of the layer. And press it gently. And again repeat the steps. And once you have filled all your chocolates with the filling, add 1 teaspoon of chocolate to coat the upper layer. And once you have done this, you need to again refrigerate it for 30 minutes. See, the chocolates come out so easily. And these are ready. This is the only recipe you need for your parties and for your instant crave for chocolates. Thank you for watching. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.